Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today I'm coming from Southwest Cape Coral, and this neighborhood is very nice. Check out the homes here. And today I got a very special home I want to show you. It's a resale from 2004. Okay, it's an agent in our office that just got the listing, and he's doing a broken open house today. And I asked him, can I come a little early so I could film it for you guys? And he said, you're welcome. So I'm over here. This is beautiful 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. It has 2,340 square feet inside. And it's a golf access home with a beautiful pool. When do you see the pool? So let's start our tour. You know how my tour works. We're gonna go around the house, then we'll go inside, okay? Let's take a quick peek around here. So I'm gonna show you the wide canal that this beautiful home offers. Remember, if you guys want more information on this property, the price and the status of it, feel free to go in the description below. And you have a link that takes you directly to the listing. So that way you can see all the information from this beautiful home here. Check out this beautiful Gulf Access Canal, how wide it is. It's a beautiful neighborhood here. And let me go up here so I can show you a little bit here, the pool. We'll come back to the pool as soon as I go inside, but just for you to have a quick view of it, okay? This house looks like when they built it, it was a custom home because it's very unique. So just let me know what you think about it. I know a lot of people aren't gonna like it, so I just wanna hear from you guys. Okay, it has a double car garage. For what I heard, it's freshly painted already from the outside, and I think it got a new roof, so that's good. Now we're going inside. So you come in, you're welcome with this beautiful living room. Okay, you got the beautiful view of the canal and the pool. Nice. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to start first with the den, and then we're going to move to the bedrooms, and then we're going to end up in the kitchen, and then we'll go outside, okay? So let's start with the den here. It's a pretty nice sized den. Check it out. The ceilings are really nice and high. Now over here, come here to your right, and you have bathroom number 1. Okay. Has a shower with a glass, and also you have a door full bath so you can go outside, and you also have granite countertops in the counters. So as you can see, this home has been remodeled since 2004. This bathroom looks like it's been completely redone. So now we're gonna head here to the left, is a hallway, and that takes us to, let's start with bathroom number 2 here. So as you can see, the bathroom has been remodeled. And here you got your bathtub and shower with your toilet there. Now we head here, let's call this room number 1. This room is in front of the home. And what I can tell you, this house has very spacious rooms. It has 3 bedrooms, but they're very spacious. Check it out. Nice crown moldings. Let's go over here to bedroom number 2. See, as I was telling you, you see the size of these rooms? They're big. Okay, this is a nice home, like to entertain. Wait until we go outside so you see that beautiful wood area. Okay. And the location here is great. It's in the southwest, close to supermarkets, Cape Harbor, you know, and lots of things, you know, down here in the Southwest Cape Coral. It's a lot of people like this area. So over here, we're showing the master bedroom. Pretty nice size. Let me show you. So I show you the ceiling. And you have this humongous window that you can see the water outside. I don't know if you can see it through the camera, but that's out there with the pool. You also have these French doors that lead out to the pool. Okay, now let's go to the bathroom here, master bathroom. Master bathroom here, you got your granite countertops, a nice jacuzzi tub, and you got your shower back here, and you got your toilet over here. And then you have your closet here. As you can see, you have drawers, you have everything to hang. It's very nice. So let's keep going now. Let's go now to the other side of the home. Okay, let's take one more look of the living room here. Nice. The entrance. Well, those are my shoes. I took them off. I don't like to dirty the floor. Okay, over here, we're moving out to the kitchen now. The kitchen is very nice and bright, as you can see. You have a beautiful window that facing the canal over there. And that's basically your dining room right there. You have a nice area for a bar over there with wine cellar, with refrigerated, and really nice. And you got all your wines and everything there. And the kitchen, let me go on this side. Check it out. Nice cabinets that are very nice. And as you can see, they're setting up all the things for the open house. So this, you know, don't look at that, just see those things there, that's for the food. They're gonna have a pretty nice open house today. And check out the beautiful backsplash. Beautiful kitchen cabinets. Now over here, you have a microwave up here and more cabinets from your pantry. And then when we come over here to your left, you have the laundry here. And then through this door, you have the double car garage here. Okay? And you actually have some furniture in here. You got your water heater there, hurricane shutters over there at the end. So let's show you now the outside, okay? Because that's what really makes the house really stand out. Okay, so let's go out this door here. Check this area out. This is why people come to Florida. Okay, let me change my lens here. Whoop, there we go. So this is why people come to Florida. Check out this beautiful space for parties or entertainment. Stand over here so you can visualize the size. Check it out. Your sitting area here. Beautiful flowers. And beautiful pool. And the beautiful view of Cape Coral. Like I said before, if you want more information on this property, feel free to go in the description below, where there'll be a link that takes you directly to a web page with all the information, okay? With a full report. I hope you enjoyed this video of this beautiful 2004 home, and I would like to see what you say about your comments, what you think about it. And if you are interested in this home or any other home up there, remember my wife and I has been doing real estate in Cape Coral and Southwest Florida for over 20 years, and we can help you out find the home of your dreams. Okay, and remember, if you're looking for new construction, check out our new construction videos, and that's something else that we can help you with right now. We are getting a lot of customers now from up north that want new construction, so we're helping them out find the right builder for them. So if you have any questions, remember, just feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And